Good morning, students. Today in my class 9 video of mathematics, we will start the exercise 1.3 from question number 5. What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? For that, we have to first convert the 1 by 17 in decimal order. So here write 1 by 17. Now starting dividing it. 17 5 is 85. 17 8 is 136. 17 8 is again 136. 17 2 is 34. 17 3 is 51. 17 5 is 85. 17 2 is 34. 17 9 is 153. 17 4 is 68. 17 1 is 17. Again 17 1 is 17. 17 7 is 119. 17 6 is 102. 17 4 is 68. 17 7 is 119. Now again we are getting here 1 as we have started from here. So after how many digits the decimal expansion, the type 1 here come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. After decimal 16 digit the number 1 will become, so it repeat. So after 17th continuous division we will get this value. So we can write 1 by 17 as in 0 decimal 0 5 8 8 2 3 5 2 9 4 1 1 7 6 4 7 in the recurring order. So after 16 digits we will the digits are reversed again. Now in question number 6, look at several examples of rational number. Some examples of rational number. This is the question number 5. Now we are solving the 6. Some example of rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal. Now some examples we are adding here. 7 by 8, 11 by 25, 13 by 40, 9 by 125. Okay. Now, can you guess what property q must satisfy? Now, these all rational numbers, the decimal expansion of these all rational numbers are in terminating form. The decimal expansion of all these rational numbers are in terminating form. Now, what is the property q must satisfy here? So here we can write 8 as the cube of 2. We can write 25 as square of 5. We can write 40 as cube of 2 and product of 5. And 125 we can write also as 5 cube. So here the q will be a factor of 2 or 5 or 2 or 5 both. If the decimal expansion of any rational number is terminating, then the q will be a factor of 2 or 5 or 2 or 5 both. But leaving 2 and 5, if it is a factor of any other number like 3, 7, 11 and other numbers, leaving 2 and 5, then the decimal expansion of that rational number will not be in terminating order. Okay. Now we will solve the next question, question number 7 here. In question number 7 of exercise 1.3, write 3 numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating and non-recurring. So here the examples are 0 decimal 2, 0 1, 001, 0001, 4 times 01 and so on. 0 decimal 2, 02, 002, 0002, 4 times 02 and so on. 0 decimal 2, 03, 003, 0003, 4 times 0, 3 and so on. Only with one thing we have to keep the mind, we will not repeat a digit after a fixed sequence, after 2 or 3 digits, we have to change its position and write in such a way that there will be not a fixed position of any digit. Okay. Now look at question number 8. In question number 8, find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational number 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now here 5 by 7 we have to express in decimal form. Only we have to take here 2 digits after decimal. 7 7 is 49, 1, 7 1 is 7. Similarly 9 by 11 we have to change. 11 8 is 88. 11 1 is 11. Now 5 by 7 is a rational number, so its decimal expansion is non-terminating but recurring, but we have to not go in very depth here. And 9 by 11 is also a rational number, so its decimal expansion here is in non-terminating and recurring, because the both of the q not satisfy the factor of 2 or 5 or both. Here 0.81 and rest of the number. Now we have to take any number that is lie between 0.71 and between the 0.71 and 0.81. For example, 0.72. Now this number lie between 0.71 and 0.81. Now we have to make 3 numbers from 0.72 in such a way that their decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. For example, 0.72 01, 001, 0001, 4 times 01, and so on. Again 0.72 02, 002, 0002, 4 times 02, and so on. 0.72 03, 003, 0003, 4 times 04, and so on. Now these 3 numbers are irrational. Why? Because their decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring, and these 3 numbers lie between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now we have to look the last question of this exercise, question number 9. Now in question number 9, classify the following rational numbers as rational or irrational. Irrational. The very first is root 23 here. Now the square root 23 is an irrational number because we cannot write in the form of p by q. So we have to write here irrational. The second is here square root 225. The square root 225 is also written as the form of 15. As we know, the 15 is a rational number. So here square root 225 is also a rational number. This one is also a rational. Now the third one is 0.3796. As we are looking, the decimal expansion of this number is terminating, and if the decimal expansion of any number is terminating, then it must be it will be a rational number. It will be a rational number. In question number 4, 7.478 and so on, means we can also write in the form of 7.478 over recurring. Now in this number we are looking, the decimal expansion of this number is non-terminating but recurring. So it is also a rational number because the decimal expansion of rational number are of 2 types. One is terminating and second non-terminating and recurring. So this number is also a rational number. And the last one is now in this number we are looking that the decimal expansion of this number is non-terminating and non-recurring. So if the decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating and non-recurring, then it is a irrational number. irrational number. So by this way we have completed our exercise. Thank you for watching.